Welcome to Hot for Food. I am Lauren Toyota. I run this channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thanks for subscribing. And there's lots of videos you can check out on here with vegan recipes for vegan comfort food. Some of the best on the internet, if I do say so myself. Now today I'm going to show you how to make this, Nasi Goreng. It is a fried rice dish from Indonesia. I have been to Bali a couple of times. I love it. I particularly love the people, but I also love the Nasi Goreng. It's so good. It's very addictive. You'll eat it if you go there all the time. And I actually got a special recipe for you today from Chef Wyan at Surya Kembar Villas. This is where I actually host my vegan holiday with the Getaway Co. in Bali. I've done it twice so far, and I'm going to be doing it again in 2024. So if you want to join our vegan holiday in Bali, you can sign up for the Getaway Co.'s mailing list. I'll link it in the description below. I'm also going to be going to Morocco before that, earlier in 2024. So to get the announcement as soon as we release the spots, so you can buy your trip, sign up for that mailing list, okay? These are amazing curated vegan holidays where everything is taken care of for you. We stay at amazing accommodations. The whole itinerary is planned. We go on cultural excursions. We eat vegan the entire time, obviously, both in our villas and also at restaurants, and you just don't have to worry about anything. It's pretty incredible. You can watch my vlogs on all the trips I've done. So anyways, I want to share that with you, and also my member blog called Eat It by Hot for Food. The current issue is called The Travel Issue, with even more recipes inspired by these trips I've taken to Italy, Greece, Portugal, and this one is for Bali. So if you're not a member of Eat It by Hot for Food, you can sign up, become an annual member, and get access to every single past issue, which includes a lot of recipes, over 75 of them, as well as some exclusive vlogs and a look at my personal life, including moments with my son and becoming a mom and things like that. So I encourage you to go check this out, and if you want to support what I do, signing up for the membership is the best way. All right, let's make some nasi goreng. Again, it's fried rice. I've made a vegan version. I had to modify the recipe slightly from Chef Wyan just for ease of you finding ingredients locally. So it's very, very close to what I eat in Bali, but it's not as good, I'm not gonna lie. I can't make it as good. I think you have to be Indonesian. I think you need all the exact ingredients that Chef Wyan called for in the recipe, but I did have to make some mods for you. Regardless, you're gonna love it. It is a delicious fried rice, so let's get started. You want to get everything prepped and ready before you start because you're just going to quickly whip this up at the stove. So chop up and slice a large shallot. You're also going to need to make your rice in advance because you want cold leftover rice. That's how you make the best fried rice, with a dry rice. You could quickly, if you wanted, make the rice and then lay it out on a baking sheet and throw it in the freezer or the fridge to do it faster, but I always just make the rice a day in advance, throw it in the fridge. So you need about 2.5 to 3 cups of rice. Measure that out. You need trimmed green beans. I just cut them into thirds. Julienne carrot. So julienne is very thin slices of carrot. Shredded cabbage, some broccoli florets. Then chop up your green onions and separate the white and the light green parts from the green parts because you're going to cook the white and light green parts and use the other portion as garnish. Now heat your large pan. If you have a wok, that would be even better, but heat it over medium heat with oil. Fry those shallots for about 5 minutes. You don't really need to toss them or anything. They're gonna get nice and brown. Put those onto paper towels so they can drain of the excess oil. Now throw your rice in the same pan over medium heat, spread it out to an even layer, and then add the vegetables on top in this order. Place your chopped onions, then your green beans, your carrots, your cabbage, your broccoli, and the white parts of the green onion on top. And just don't touch this, let it sit for about 5 minutes. The vegetables on top will start to steam and slightly wilt. In a bowl, you're gonna combine the sweet soy sauce. Instead of Bali chili paste, I used chili garlic sauce. You can use sambal oelek, soy sauce, some sesame oil, seasoned rice vinegar, and then Chef Wyan called for mushroom powder. So I used this Trader Joe's mushroom umami powder, and then white pepper. Whisk this together and set it aside. After 5 minutes, toss the rice and vegetables and spread it into an even layer again, not touching it, for about another 5 minutes. Toss it again and add in the sauce and stir this to combine to get everything sauced up. And you'll continue to fry it, only stirring maybe once, for another 4 to 5 minutes. Just at the end, you may want to add some sea salt to taste. And that's it. You're gonna plate this up. It makes 2 large servings. Top it with your green onion, the crispy fried shallots. And in Bali, I'm always served this on a plate with cucumber and tomato slices. I don't know why, but the kind of fresh, crunchy stuff goes well with this. Another topping for this could be like a fried tempeh crumble that you marinate in the sweet soy sauce. That's kind of, I've seen it served that way, but I just wanted to do the rice. That's if you want to make it like a full meal. You could also add in, you know, vegan just egg scramble or something just to like round it out. But every time I order it in Bali, I just get a plate of rice with the vegetables. It's always perfectly cooked. The vegetables are never overdone. They're still nice and crispy and bright green. That's what you're going for here. So let's dive in. And you can also add more sweet soy sauce if you feel like you want that on top. I'm addicted. It's so good. I also can't believe it took me this long to make nasi goreng at home. I'm gonna eat this whole bowl. I've posted the recipe on hotforfoodblog.com. If you like this one and you want more recipes inspired by my travels, remember to become an annual member of Eat It by Hot for Food, my exclusive member blog. You can buy just this issue if you like, but it's worth it and more bang for your buck. If you become an annual member, you get access to all of the existing 9 issues, lots of recipes, recipe videos, stuff that's never been seen before, only for members. So please sign up if you want to support Hot for Food. That would be amazing. And if not, that's okay. I still post content here, as well as on my personal YouTube channel, Lauren in Real Life, as well as Instagram, TikTok, all the things. You can also buy my cookbooks, Vegan Comfort Classics, and Hot for Food All Day. So much content, infinite amounts of vegan content. Subscribe to this channel, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment. I check it, I reply. It's just me working alone in the kitchen all the time for you to spread the vegan message. Veganism can be delicious and tasty. You're not sacrificing anything. And obviously you're helping the animals. That's why I do what I do. So thanks for joining, and I'll see y'all another time. Bye.